Enter the MaxiBlocks canvas setting. First, select a block like Button Maxi or Icon Maxi. Once you have selected your block, look for the Canvases tab. You'll find this in the Settings sidebar on the right side of your screen. Understand that the canvas acts as a container surrounding your block. The key thing to remember here is that it can be styled separately from the block itself. Now let's try modifying the canvas. You can change the background or padding. Remember, these changes will only affect the canvas, the space around your block, and not the block itself. To adjust the height and width settings, go to the height and width settings of the canvas. Here, you will find options to tweak these dimensions. Finally, look for the option Set Width to Fit Content and enable it. This ensures that the canvas adjusts its width automatically to match the content of your block, making it effectively invisible and non-intrusive. Subscribe for more MaxiBlocks tips and tricks.